In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your TradingView account. Whether you're finishing up a session or just want to ensure your account's security, logging out correctly is crucial. It's a simple process that takes just a couple of steps, so let's dive right in. First things first, if you're not already on the TradingView website, you'll need to head over there. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.tradingview.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a lot of information about trading, charts, and market insights. For our purposes today, though, we want to focus on your account settings, so direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. In the top right corner, you'll spot your profile icon. Depending on how you've set up your account, this icon might display your profile picture, or it could just be your initials. But either way, this is what you're looking for. It's your gateway to the drop-down menu where all your account settings reside. Go ahead and click on that profile icon now. This action will reveal a drop-down menu containing several options related to your account. Among these choices, you're going to see the Log Out option. Clicking Log Out is the key step in signing out of your TradingView account. So let's do that now. Click Log Out, and with that, you'll be securely logged out of your TradingView account. To confirm this action, you'll notice that the site will redirect you to the home page or a login screen, depending on your previous activity. This indicates that you have successfully logged out and your session has ended. Always make sure to look for this confirmation to ensure your account is safe and secure. Once you've logged out, your personal information and trading data are protected until you decide to log back in again. As a quick tip, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's always a good idea to log out of all services and close your browser to maintain your privacy and security. Keeping these practices in mind helps ensure that your private information stays safe from prying eyes. And that's it. Logging out of your TradingView account is incredibly straightforward, as we've just seen. Remember, performing these steps regularly, especially after using a shared system, is an excellent habit to cultivate for maintaining your online security. Thanks for watching, and until next time,